welcome to my channel. And I'm just going to put this disclaimer at the start of all my videos that I'm re-uploading. 5 years ago I solved the double slit experiment with a simple inequality, and all the physicists I approached about it refused to listen because it goes against what they have become embedded in believing. And I solved a grand unified field theory from it, which solves and fixes everything in physics with clear, simple mathematics. The equations of 137 being vortex equations. They're not particles, they are vortexes moving inside a space-time fabric. I give the quantum field structure, I give 26 dimensions held together by strings, which are actually elastic pipes. Explain quantum gravity, dark matter, dark energy, everything in physics. But because it proves the particle model wrong, and because it proves the Big Bang wrong, the people in power refuse to listen. But they don't just refuse to listen, they've consistently destroyed my work and had it taken offline. So in my videos I'm quite angry, so please excuse that. If you can, see it as me being the guy in the Titanic, getting the message, there's loads of icebergs coming up ahead, and me saying to the people in control, okay, steer a different course, this is the correct way, and those guys going, don't listen to him, hasn't a clue, this is the Titanic. We've got it all sorted. Thanks, enjoy the video. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to explain why the misunderstanding that has prevented physicists from unifying relativity with quantum mechanics. And it is this error in understanding. We know that when we look at clocks, time is detected to slow down near massive objects. That's undeniable. Einstein proved that. But what Einstein and everybody else misunderstood is that time does not slow down. The measurement of time slows down. And I'm going to explain it. I'm going to use a balloon, because time dilation is actually space dilation. When you get the fabric of space compacted as matter, these vortices of matter pull each other closer together, the surrounding fabric is stretched, it expands. That's the expansion of the universe. And it's space, the space on the surface of planets and the suns is, it becomes expanded. So I'm going to give you an example, okay? I've got a balloon here, okay? I'm going to inflate it there. Imagine that's, imagine we've got a little ant, okay? And there's a little ant running around this. You know ants, they always go as fast as they can, 100% all the time. So this little guy is running around in a loop around this balloon, and it takes him maybe a second to get round. And every time he goes round, he flicks a little switch, and another second goes up. So every time he's going round and round, the seconds are going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, okay? Now, what happens with space dilation is as we inflate the balloon, as space dilates, now the ant is still going the same speed, just as light is going the same speed. But now to get round the balloon and knock that little switch, it takes a hell of a lot more time for that ant to go round and knock that switch. So it's the measurement of time that slows down around massive objects. And that actually solves the neutral H problem in the sun's photosphere. Because as it dilates, it takes phenomenally more energy to fill up. Remember, it's not just dilating in one dimension, it's dilating in 3 dimensions. So it takes phenomenally more energy on the surface of the sun for neutral H to be converted into positive H. That's why it takes phenomenally higher temperatures to convert it. Physicists have been making a mistake thinking that, well, calculating it from the Earth, that it should be the same, and why is it not? That's why, because time dilation is space dilation.